autopsy, fellas. So the video you guys are about to see is me starting to tear into the 3.86, whatever it was, in the 2002 Mustang, just because I want to see what blew up on it. This is going to be part one, because I'm currently in Nevada, or not Nevada, Arizona, and I can't film any car stuff, but I want to keep you guys entertained, so here you guys go. In case I don't see you guys by Christmas, hopefully you guys have a wonderful Christmas. I'm really going to enjoy it this year. As you guys are about to see later on, you guys are going to see some of the stuff I got from my great boy. I'm really ecstatic. I'm so ecstatic for him to open it and see this stuff. I'm going to say this again, and I'll say it later. Money, when it comes to your kids, should be no object. If you have it to give, you should give it. No matter if it's Christmas or what it is. Mainly Christmas, though. Christmas, your kids should have a fat stack of presents under the tree. Just saying. And some people can't afford that. I can. So I want to give my son the best Christmas I can. Winning. Hope you guys. Howdy, fellas. Welcome back to the channel. So what we are doing here is pulling this 3.8. I don't know how you guys are going to be able to see this, but I want to. So this engine and transmission is mine. You don't want it back. So this is mine. Every time we get an engine like this, I like trying to find out why it exploded, or why it did what it did. It's, kind of an autopsy or an engine topsy, if you must know. So let me pause this so I don't get a copyright claim, even though I'm monetized. So basically, I want to see why this engine locked up solid, and you can't spin it. It's locked up. So usually, I was kind of hoping when we were pulling out that there'd be a hole in the block. Let me grab a flashlight so we're on. I was kind of hoping that there'd be a hole in the block. There's not a hole in the block. So what I'm assuming happened, and this is going to be a two-part segment, I'm assuming a connecting rod came loose, spun a bearing, locked the engine up. He said he was doing burnouts at his last job, and got locked up, which, when you're thrashing a car like that, lots of things can happen, and many things do happen. Hence why I really don't thrash the vet around. I don't want it to come to that, to where it feels like it's got to lock itself up. But that can happen. It doesn't matter. It could happen going down the road. But kind of want to see, because I want to see the heads are good, see what happened. Again, kind of just a fun thing. When I don't got anything else going on, it's a Wednesday night, or Tuesday night, and I ain't got jack shit going on. So, I'm waiting for my old lady to get off work, so I can call it a night. I'm going to at least go pick her up. But she's not off yet. So I'm going to pull this thing apart, and probably be two parts. Probably be this part. You guys probably just heard Mikey laugh. They're playing a video game. So, but anyways, we'll pull this thing apart. We'll see what happens. But, that engine's complete. The only thing I'm going to swap out on that engine is put he's got a new alternator. Put that on that engine. It's got a starter. All that stuff's good, low, mild. So basically we're just going to scavenge this engine and see what's there. See what maybe we could salvage and help another car live. Or, because we do sell on eBay. I sell on eBay. I know there's pretty good money in it if you can find the right stuff to sell. But let's get into this. So Delbert stripped this bolt here up. So I gotta go find a freaking socket that'll fit that. You have to beat it on and pull it out, because this intake, I don't know what they go for, but this one's actually still in good shape. Now I'm gonna talk to you guys about that. Shipping things, awkward sizes or heavy stuff costs a lot more to ship. I'm gonna sell this in two pieces, hopefully. I'm gonna sell this piece, the upper, and I'll sell the lower. Or I'll probably sell them together, and then I'll sell the throttle body separate. Man, he's really happy about something. I don't know what he's happy about. Probably playing a video game, winning or something. Oh, kids! I didn't know I wanted to be a dad until I became one. It's been a pleasure so far. Of course, I've only been doing dad things for he's my girlfriend's adopted son, so I've only been doing it about 4 months, but. Man, it's fun shit. Couldn't picture my life without him. That's the truth. So, put you guys on pause. And I'm gonna go see. It sounds like he's running towards the door, so I'm gonna go see what he wants. And we'll be back to pull his intake off. At least do that before we have to go, hopefully. Then you got the stuff, they revamped it in the mid, or well, like 2019, 2018. So I picked this stuff up along with some other stuff that's in here, some other He-Man stuff, Ninja Turtle stuff, things I'm not for my little boy Mikey while I was down here. This for 50 bucks, this is a steal, dude. I can't wait. I'm so excited for Christmas, dude, just to watch him open this and watch him light up and just be so happy, guys. I'm really ecstatic. But yeah, it's pretty cool to be able to share, you know, this type of stuff with your kid. You know, I grew up playing with this, Dad grew up playing with it, and now he grew up playing with the same stuff that I grew up with, Ninja Turtles and He-Man. He likes Transformers. I was never really into Transformers, but it was a cool movie. So back to your regularly scheduled engine autopsy. Looks like I'm missing one. I never pulled one of these intakes off. We better check. There's a little prime on it. It'll work out for me. Aha! There's still one in it, dipshit! Come on! Oh, you're a motherfucker, aren't you? Do that. Oh. Bingo. Now, should it come out? Yes, it should. Who sent me a message? That's so nice when you get all the bolts out of it. Oh. Is that one all the way out either? Jesus, I'm a delbert. Not trust your local Austin. Your local Austin's an idiot. Now, does it just come off like so? Hell yeah. Take that in the shop. Now get this wiring harness out of the way. How much time, you guys? Hopefully we can time lapse this. Howdy, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that part one. Stay tuned and come back for part two, as well as lots of other auto related stuff. If you guys care to come back, come back. If not, then just watch this one. See you guys next time. As always, my name is Austin. My dad's name is Jack. We build classic cars. See you guys next time for either the part two of this or something different.